So we saw that taking up the entire cycle and taking the average per se is not a good idea. So what people have done is, if someone asks you what is the average over here in the traditional sense, the smart thing to do is what? Can you guess? Just pick up half the cycle. If I pick up either half, what will happen? The average won't be 0, as simple as that. And that's what they have done. Again, everything is common sense. So basic idea is that we are figuring out the average of half the sine wave. So the definition also reflects the same. It's equal to the value of the direct current, which sends the same charge in a current in the same time as it sent by the given alternative current in that half the time. All the definition, it talks about the same. For me also, it gives a headache just reading the definition. Right? Just reading out, it won't make sense to me, but I have to read for you guys. This is how we represented I average, IM. Now, let's figure out the math. So what is that we are doing? We have half of it. Take up any half, of course, either at the top or the bottom. Find the total, divide by half the time, T by 2 basically. So, relation between average value and peak value is given by what? I is equal to I naught sine omega t. Okay, instantaneous, not average. So instantaneous current is given by this particular equation. Now, as per the definition, I average is total charge that flows through divided by total time. So let's figure out the charge. Will be equal to all the charges being added from 0 to t. Is that correct? Of course not. T by 2. That's the whole funda. We're not adding the entire thing, just the half of it. So 0 to t by 2 I naught sine omega t dt. So I naught cos omega t divided by omega, a negative value, 0 to t by 2. So, okay, let me write it off. I naught cos omega t by 2 minus cos of 0. So this is nothing but 1. And this is nothing but 2 pi. This is 0. Right? Divided by omega. So let me do the math over here for you guys. Omega t by 2. So omega is 2 pi f t by 2. So this will be equal to 1. F and t are inverse of each other. 2 and 2 will get cancelled and we have pi. So cos pi is minus 1. So this is minus 1. And we have this to be minus of minus plus 2 times of I naught omega. Okay, so that's your total charge, Q total. Now we have to figure out I average. So we have, therefore, I average is equal to 2 I naught by omega into time period, which is t by 2. Okay, so again here too we have 2 I naught, omega is 2 pi f t, in the numerator we have 2. So this and this will get cancelled, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, and we have 2 by pi I naught. That's a weird answer, but still it's an answer. So this math turns out to be equal to 0.637. Okay, so let me show it off. So we have 2 divided by 3.14. I don't know how you guys can see that or not. It's 0.6369 approximated to this particular value times of I naught. Obviously, it can't be more than I naught. It is 63% of I naught. Okay, guys, simple math. And